Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. In today's video, we'll learn how to ask for directions in English. We'll start with the simple question, how do I get to the park from here? And I'll show you how to use easy words to ask for directions. Let's get started. Hi, Tom. How are you? Hi, Lily. I'm good, thanks. How are you? I'm good too. Can you help me with something? Sure. What do you need? How do I get to the park from here? It's easy. Go straight for 2 blocks. Okay, then what? Then turn right at the corner. Walk 1 more block and the park will be on your left. Got it. Straight for 2 blocks right at the corner, then 1 more block. That's right. Do you need more help? No, that's all. Thanks, Tom. You're welcome, Lily. Have a good day. That's it for today's. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English Smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.